Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you if the sleep mode is not working in Windows 11. I'll show you the quick ways how to fix it. So the first method is that we are going to run this command to check which applications are actually blocking the sleep mode. So for that I will open the command prompt. Just quickly open the command prompt, run as admin, and just quickly run the command. So this is going to display me the applications which are basically blocking the sleep mode. Just ignore this OBS Studio which is running at the moment. There is no other application which is actually blocking the sleep mode. If there is any application, we will close the application first. Okay. So this is the first method. The second method that you can check is you can disable the wake timers. So first you need to open the power plan, edit power plan option under control panel, and then you will go to the change advanced power settings. After that you will go to the sleep section, and then you will go to allow wake timers, and then you will have to disable these two options, on battery and plugged in. Click apply and click OK. This is the second method you're going to apply. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can do, you can try out the third method, which is to check the power and sleep settings. For that, you will first go in the settings, go to settings, and then under system settings, this settings, you will go to system, and then you will go to power and battery option, and then you will have to go to the option called screen timeout. Go to this option, and you have to make sure that these options should not be set as never. It should not be set as never, set as recommended. All these options, look, all these options should be set as recommended. Now this as well. Now, this is the third method that you're going to apply. If the issue is still not fixed, what you can do is you can reset the power plan. So for that, all I need to do is just copy and paste the command in the command prompt. Just open the command prompt, run as admin, and click yes. And after that, just run this command. So I'm going to provide these commands in the below description. All you need to do is just copy and paste, and this is going to set the power plan setting to default. Click yes. So this command is successfully executed and all the settings have been set as default. So now, after that, last method that you can apply if the issue is still not fixed is to reinstall the graphic driver. For that, you will go to the device manager under control panel, and you will look for the driver. Go to display adapter and just right click and uninstall device. And after that, you will restart your computer, and computer will install the latest graphic driver in your system automatically during the restart. So see you after the restart. So my computer has been restarted and the latest driver has been installed. And I hope after performing all these steps, your issue will be fixed. At the end, please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.